after we have installed Fedora on our virtual hard drive, we still need to perform some system updates and perform important or change some important settings of our virtual machine. For this, we boot Fedora again, but this time from the virtual hard drive. The first time we boot Fedora after installation, we need to complete a setup procedure. We start the setup. We will not enable the privacy settings. We continue. We will not add third-party repositories, so we continue. We will not connect any online account, so we skip this. And we will create a user on the system. For the Advanced Bachelor of Bioinformatics course at West, we will all create the same user called guest. For this user, we will all provide the same password, which is West 2023. And we will confirm this password. And we proceed to the next step. Now we are finished with the setup and we can start using Fedora Linux. We get prompted to follow the GNOME 44 tour, which is the desktop environment. We will not follow this, so we say no thanks. And then we will first start our terminal application by typing term, pressing enter. And the first step that we're going to execute is installing some important system updates. To install these system updates, we use the sudo dnf update -y command. We execute the command and we will get prompted to provide the password for guest, which is West 2023. As you type the password will not appear. So it looks like we haven't typed anything. This is correct. We just enter and the updates will start. The initial update is quite big. I think it's 1.9 gigabytes of data that needs to be downloaded from online repositories. So again, this will take some time. The initial updates can take some time. After performing these updates, we will install some important packages using sudo dnf install dkms gcc gedit -y. Again, we will be prompted to provide our password, which is West 2023. We confirm this, and these packages will be installed. This won't take that much time and should be completed quite fast. It still will take a couple of minutes. And the next step, we're going to set a password for the root user, which is the super user of the system. For this, we use sudo passwd root. The new password we're going to assign to the root user is the same as for the guest user. So this is West 2023. You retype the password, West 2023, and the password for the root user is now set. For the next step, we first need to reboot the system. We can perform this task with the command reboot. For For the next task, we're going to log in not as guest user, but as root user, for which we just have set the password. We go to not listed, we type in the name root, we provide the password OS 2023, watch out for your numlock, we confirm the password, and we will now log in as. We start a new terminal application. You can now see that we are logged in as root user because the prompt has changed. And now we will execute the pkcon refresh force -c -1 command. Again, don't forget your numlock. In the next step, we're going to change the package-kit configuration file using the Gedit application. We're going to open the /etc /package-kit /package-kit-conf file. You can complete the command by typing a couple of letters of the directory or the file name and completing this with the tab key. In this file, at the bottom of the page, we will remove the final hashtag so that the keep cache equals false setting will become active. We save this in the GUI of Gedit and we close the file. In this way, we have now successfully completed the installation of our virtual machine. After we reboot and we log in back as guest, we can start using it.